Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 200 plus portrait background collection. This data special for photographers, or you can use anywhere like banners. You see here, wow, the same as blur background, amazing. Here is 222 files, and all files are high definitions. Here is a wow, amazing. So I create a quiz like this one in computer entertainment. Okay, I drag this file to Photoshop. Control Shift L for auto leveling. Create new layer. Press A for select all. Press Control backspace for background color and opacities. 40s are 53, 55. You write anything. I write my country name, Pakistan, and simply here you can use anywhere. Here's name is Sheri SK. Depend your own choice. You can use anywhere. No, okay. And I hope this data useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.